Hi everybody, this is Deborah Morris with Deborah Morris Home Team, Keller Williams. I am here with Willie Santiago to show you the benefits of having your driveway clean when you want to sell a house. And even if you're not selling a house, it's nice to have a clean driveway and sidewalk. So here it is. Willie, tell us some of the things that you do.
All right, now the reason it's especially necessary to have your sidewalks clean, because you don't want somebody slipping on a slimy sidewalk and then they'll be suing you. But besides that, the benefits of selling, it'll add to the curb appeal. As we can look over here, I'll take care of all of this dirt and green stuff all the way on the property line. And then the same thing with the concrete. I'll get the slime out and have it looking nice and white and pristine. And that'll, I mean, when you see a house, it'll make it look brand new. I'll hit the bricks, I'll touch up anything around the area. Like the under the eaves there is not included in the price, but I'll do that just because it'll make it for, especially if a photographer is coming to take pictures, you know, that'll show up. So I'll take care of that as well. And that's basically it. I've got a super wide surface cleaner that I'll be using, and of course I use chlorine and other products to help get rid of especially the red acorn stains. So if you have red acorn stains, chlorine by itself isn't going to get it. It needs an additional additive that I use to get those driveways. Now if you have oil stains, you might be out of luck there. But
how do they reach you if they want to hear more about what you do?
Sure, my phone number is 407-538-7159. So I do houses. I'll be doing the pool deck in the back, the lanai area, be pressure washing that. I'll also be hitting their furniture as well. So I also do furniture and carpet cleaning, amongst other things.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much, and
You're
you have a
welcome.
great day.
And see me later for the finished product.
Oh yes, I'll come back out and do a follow-up video. So keep
right.
an eye out for that, and so you can see the before and after.
Cool.
Have a great day.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye.